So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 35,019. We have the digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change the information displayed there using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control and speed limiter available, and then stereo and phone controls on the right hand side just here. The main stereo is over in the center. We have a few physical buttons, for example, to get to the main menu and your volume, of course, but essentially it all becomes touchscreen. So you have your audio options just here. You can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. And then we are able to pair our phone, of course. So just hit search device and follow the instructions on the screen from there, which we're not going to do at the moment. We do have climate control options as well. Again, we have physical buttons for these, which I'm going to come to in just a moment. You can also connect up your smartphone and project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well, should you wish to do that. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. If you hit menu, you will get your controls back up on the screen, which I showed you just a moment ago. Air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off, back on again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air as well. You can override that manually and auto will turn off. We have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then in front of that we have a few buttons. So we've got the ability to turn the traction control on and off, reset the tyre deflation warning system. We have our lane departure warning system. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, and we've got child locks as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.